Now we're going to add some colour to the petals. So again we're going to work from the back, but this time remove your embossing mat and place a piece of white paper underneath. Nice sharp pencil, work from the centre of the petal and flick outwards to the outer edge of the petals. Colour the centres of the flowers. I'm using a yellow. No particular technique there, just fill it in. And then when you turn your work over, you've got that added colour. Colour from the centre of the flower and flick outwards to the tips of the petals. There we go. So now we're going to do some grid work in the corners of the design, and I've got a bold straight grid on a perforating mat, and I'm going to use a bold needle tool. So I've lined the pattern up with a row of holes on the grid along the side and along the bottom, and moving in, I'm allowing one row this side, and then I'm going to start with a group of 4 holes in the corner, and I'm going to miss the next group of 4 and then perforate another 4. Move along this way into the card and perforate the 4 holes that falls in between here where you missed the first time, and then the third row is the same as the first row. And there's your pattern finished. When you've perforated all 4 corners, take it off your grid and you place embossing mats underneath. We're going to work on the back. I'm going to use the sun tool again and emboss inside your perforated areas. And you repeat that on all 4 corners. So now we're going to cut the 4 holes into crosses, but before we do that we need to re-perforate. So remove your embossing mat and replace it with a perforating mat. Use your bold needle tool again. This time just perforate a little bit deeper in each of the holes. Keep your tool upright so you get nice round holes. And repeat in all 4 corners. Okay, now we're going to cut the 4 holes into crosses. Place your fingers behind where you're working. Place the scissors in the holes, the 2 holes that's furthest away. Keep your scissors low to the paper and cut. So a 1/4 turn. It's always the 2 holes furthest away. Scissors low and cut. And again, 2 holes furthest away. Scissors low down and cut. And the last one, scissors low down and cut. And there's your first cross. Once you get into the swing of cutting one cross, rather than continuously turn your work, snip the top 2 holes of all the sections where you've perforated, and then turn and do the rest. And you always snip in the 2 holes furthest away from you. And you do it 4 times in total.